tamarind is this, ay optional lang pala yun. I'm going to cook this, guys. Chicken flavor broccoli. Pasta size siya. Yung flavor niya is chicken flavor broccoli. And then, yung salmon, guys. Preparing the salmon. Putting the salt. Nabili namin yan sa Walmart, guys. Yan ang dinner namin. So, ayun na, guys. Yung malit na oven namin, ginamit namin. To bake the garlic bread. Yummers! Favorite yan ni Reyna din. Dalawa yung kay Reyna dyan.
Like melt into it, you know?
Oh, yeah. And guys, frying na. Madali lang na tumaluto. Gutom na ako. Hindi wow. So, ayan guys, luto ng chicken broccoli pasta natin. Kainan na. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ayan, ginamit na ni olive oil pala ginamit ni Habibs to fry the tuna. Ayan, medyo healthy yan. Healthy yan. Perfect for roasting, grilling, and sauteing. Sauteing. Hindi daw magluto si Gordon Ramsay, guys. Hindi bake. Ayaw niya masabi. It tastes better when it's baked.
No. It's better
Why Gordon Ramsay cook like that?
because he uses olive oil and it has flavor. So
And what? Less flavor?
olive oil.
Ginaya niya si Gordon Ramsay yan. Kaya ayan guys. Sarap guys. Medyo fish tayo ngayon. Healthy. Si Reyna excited na sa garlic bread. Ayan, medyo nag-brown na siya guys. Anak, alis dyan, mainit. Baka maano ka. Ang bilis dito guys, maluto. Ang garlic bread. Ready to eat na. Oh! Look! The other side is not. Hindi pa pala. Kailangan pa pala ito baliktarin. Kasi yung ilalim. Aray, ang lamig. May bulbul. May buko. Ayan guys, babalik ko pa pala ito. Ayan guys, ang final look. Char. Tuna, garlic, and pasta. Dinner namin. Here's our dinner. Baked chicken, mashed potato on the side, and beans. Black-eyed peas and lima beans. Ayan ang aming yummy dinner. Let's eat. Ayan, nagpalit lang si Reyna ng outfit. Hard. Wait. Ayan. Hard. Banana. You gotta have one banana. This one. No, your face. Yan. Where's your points?
Oh, that's mine. See?
Nag-picture siya, guys. More? More? That's it. Wow, thanks. One more?
No.
No? Okay. She's having fun, guys. Enjoy siya. Dance with chuckecheese. She don't. Ay! Where? Uy! Rina, not there. Not there, not. Just here.
Aim, hit the acorn, crack the ice.
Come on. Game over. The marshmallow. Cute. How cute. Yes, slow. You're not. Reina is only have birthday here. Right? Hi guys, good afternoon na pala. Today Saturday. At katatapos lang namin kumain ng breakfast. Actually, brunch na yun kasi, 12 na. Big breakfast. Si Habi nagluto. Tapos, ako naghugas ng pinggan. Kaloka, oy. So, ngayon guys, magtatapon na ako ng basura kay puno na naman. Tapon tayo ng basura tapos tingnan natin yung basurahan doon. Mag-dumpster diving tayo guys. Bigat to. ulan guys.